My name is Khadija Tate. I am a IT consultant and property investor. I decided to attend the Self-Made Summit in Dubai because I thought it would be a great investment into my personal development. I have been a mentee of Bianca for the last 6 months, and it's been great. And I think this was really good addition to come and meet people face to face, and just to be in a room with women with similar goals, and it just aligns with where I want to get to. I was so tired of being in a room where I was the only one with certain achievements. And so to be in a room with so many powerful women, and including Bianca herself, who is the leader and mentor in this on this particular event, it was amazing. I've had a great time. I've had lots of fun, but at the same time, the learning's been great. Also a reminder of going through my goals, resetting those, and looking at what else I can achieve in my life, because sometimes we start out with boundaries that we set ourselves, not realizing that there's so much more that we can get. And the networking has been amazing, and I look forward to many more time with the Self-Made Group. Thank you.